Hi everybody, this is Arash and we are solving HackerRank Python preparation challenges. The next challenge is called Merge the Tools and it is categorized as medium. Let's start going for it. What we are going to do is very simple. We are given a string and an integer k. We need to split this string into substrings with the length of k, but we also should remove duplicate letters from it. For example, if we have AAB, one of the A letters should be removed and we should print AB. Alright, this is the main part already written for us. We should complete this function. What I'm going to do, I'm going to loop through this string. First of all, I'm going to create a variable called I, and I is 0 in the beginning. After that, I'm going to write down a while, and while I plus k is less than equal to len of my string, I'm going to create a substring. So sub is equal to a string from index of I inclusive to the index of I plus k exclusive. So this is my substring with the length of k. After that I should remove duplicate letters, so I write down, for example, for ch in sub, I'm going to create another variable. It's called, for example, new substring. It's empty for now. For ch in sub, if ch not in new sub plus equal to ch. So we are telling that every character, for every character in sub, check if whether it exists in our new sub or not. If it doesn't exist, add it to our new sub. And in the end, we simply print our new sub. Alright, let's submit the code. It is checking with multiple test cases. All of them are wrong. Let's check what is wrong here. We had I equal to 0. We wrote while I plus k is less than or equal to length of a string. We defined a new sub. We looped through sub. We wrote if ch not in new sub plus equal to ch, and we printed the new sub. Oh, this is the part I forgot. After printing the new sub, I should add k to I, so I should be plus equal to k. We should increment I every time because this is a while loop. Let's submit the code again, and this time all of them are correct. Alright guys, this was Arash. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.